Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys some new things I have in my Etsy shop. Starting off with some of these super cute, adorable tassel dangle charms. Now I have added these previously to my albums and they just look so cute, but you could also add them to a keychain or like a planner keychain kind of thing, wherever you want to add one of these cuties to. So here's one that I have. This one's going to be called, I think, Wintry Blues, and this has reds, a blue, and a white, and it's got this super cute like Christmas minty bead in the center, or not in the center, at the bottom. It's got a light blue and like a clear, and then all of the seam binding. And you guys know I get my seam binding from my scrap cabin shop, so I'll link her down below. But I love these tassel charms, so there is one that I have. Another one that I have is this one. This one's called Peppermint, and it's got this pepperminty bead in the center. It's got a gold top, red bottom, and it's got red and white seam binding. Aren't these so adorable? Look how cute they are. And they all have a lobster clasp at the top, so you could add these onto any of your projects. So there's that one. There's also this one. This one's called a Traditional Holly Jolly, I believe. And this one's got like a pearly white one at the top. It's got a red one, but it's like I don't know, it's got different like tones in it, and it's reflecting off of my light right now. And then it's got this green sparkly one, and it's got red and green seam binding here. Another cute tassel dangle charm. And then the last one I have is called Christmint, and that is this one right here. They're all Christmassy ones this time around. And this one has like a pearly one at the top with some silver specks, a red like glittery sparkly one, and then this minty one with white polka dots. And then the seam binding is white, red, and a minty color. So those are the new tassel charms I have for this current release, and I hope you guys enjoy them. I do have some new rolled flower sets for this release as well, but before I get into that, let me show you what I also still have from the previous one. So I have some flower kits available, and you guys could see on my website on Etsy, which I'll have a direct link to you guys, for you guys, but on my shop you could see all of the flowers that you get in each kit. And you could either get this as is and roll it by hand, or you could also get it with a flower rolling tool, which has a little slot, and you would put your flower on it and it helps you roll them super easy. So I will show you guys, or I will link you guys to that down below. So I have this one. I have like a greenish one. This one's like pink and purple. This is like a greenish blues, yellows and oranges, depending on what season you're crafting for. And this one's just got pinks, purples, and blues. And they all come with like a rolled sample flower as well, so you guys could see how they turn out. So those are some flower kits I still have available. And then here are the new rolled flower sets. So I have this pink and purple one. How pretty! I love making these for you guys. I just get to roll them on the tray and it keeps me crafty. And it keeps me not wasting time. Then I have this one. This is like a fall themed-ish one. There's oranges, some like red orangey ones, a little bit of like grayish ones, some like yellowy orangey ones. So that is one of those. Here's another one, similar color. This one also just has a yellow in here. So they're listed separately, so you guys could see all of the flowers that you're getting in each one. There's also this one. And although the next one is a little similar, this one's got some pinks in it. So like I said, they're all listed separately and they're all available. And then here's another one as well. Yeah, so those are all of the flower sets. They all come with 25 rolled flowers. And I'll have a direct link for the flower sets for you guys down below as well. Okay, and last but not least, let's go over some sequin mixes that I now have in my Etsy shop as well. Next week, I think, or sometime soon, I'm also going to be adding in some cards and some card folios, Christmassy ones, so stay tuned for that. But this is it for this release, I needed to get them listed and, you know, available for you guys, especially because this is my last sequin restock, I guess, for the year. Yeah, so let me show you guys what's new. So this sequin mix is called Jolly. There's some red and green, like minty ones in here, some lighter greens and darker greens, and some like swirly kind of sequins as well. It's a very pretty traditional Christmas sequin mix. I have a lot of Christmas this time around, so stay tuned, but I also do have some Valentine's Day and some wintry ones. Here's another like traditional Christmas. This time it's got like some, I don't know what this is called. It's not like a gold, maybe like a khaki. I don't even know what to call it, but this one's called Candy Lane, and it's got some candy cane kind of sequins in here, some green glittery ones, some of these white fun ones, and some other reds and things. So that's a fun, another like traditional sequin mix. This next one is called Twisted Peppermint. This one is a restock. It's got the little candy cane clay bits in here, red glitter sequins, some silver ones, some swirly ones, which is an addition. I don't think they had that in the last one. I'm not sure. A lot of the time I end up like doing similar colors if I do restocks, but I take new photos because I might add in like a new sequin or kind of thing. So just depends on what I have in my stash. But this one is Twisted Peppermint. Super fun. This one is called Hello Valentine, and this one actually matches the new Hello Valentine collection by Echo Park. It was recently released and I shared it previously in like a flip through video, so check it out if you guys are interested. But this one matches that collection. So here I've got like some red open hearts and other kind of hearts, if you guys could kind of tell. Some polka dot sequins, some red glitter ones, some other clay heart bits in here, some swirlies and things. So that's another fun sequin mix, perfect for Valentine's Day. I've also got this one called Evergreen Cabin. This one is another restock and it matches the Evergreen Cabin collection by Recollections, but it's also like a fun traditional Christmas with a little bit of black in here. There's some white snowflakes, there's some green Christmas trees in here, reds, light green, dark green, red glitter, a little bit of silver. So that's another like fun sequin mix. Actually, I don't think those are silver. They're like a white kind of sequin, like a white pearly sequin. This one is called Sleigh Bells. So there is red, not red, what am I saying? Gold jingle bells kind of in here, like bell sequins. There's like this darker pink color, some lighter green. So this is non-traditional Christmas, but it still has like the Christmas kind of theme in here, or so I thought. I think it looks really pretty. There's some glittery ones in here. So that's another fun sequin mix called Sleigh Bells. This next one is called Snowflake Kisses, and I love how this one turned out. It is shades of blue and perfect for like the winter theme of the season, but you've got like your minty blues. You've even got like a hologram kind of sequin in here. There's some white snowflakes and there's some dark blue snowflakes in here as well. So this is like a fun sequin mix, perfect for the winter season. I got another Valentine's Day one, and this one is called You and Me. And this one is more pinks with a little bit of like silvery, kind of metallic-y gray. Shades of pink, a little bit of like a iridescent kind of purple, but very little. It's mostly pink. And there's these little clay bits in here, these little hearts that say love on them. So those are so fun. So that's why this one is called You and Me. And there's like little open hearts in here. So lots of hearts in this sequin mix as well. This one is called Twinkle Pink Mint, and it is another restock of pink clay sequins, some rose gold colors, and other pinks in here as well. And just another fun like wintry sequin mix, perfect for the season. That's a non-traditional winter because obviously it's pink and rose gold, but it's a nice fun little sequin girly mix, and I love how this one turned out. This next one is called Snowflake Dreams, and this one is shades of pink and rose gold as well, but I don't know if you guys could tell, but there are little like snowflakes in here as well. This is why it's called Snowflake Dreams. I just love the colors in here, peachy pinks and rose golds and all the beautiful things. So that one is called Snowflake Dreams. This next one is called Santa Hats. So there's like these little like white swirly ones in here, some Santa hat clay bits, which is why it's called Santa hats. You've got red glitter sequins, these other like polka dot kind of ones, white iridescent sequins, red, these like pearly metallic, or maybe that's silver actually. Yeah, another fun sequin mix, and I just wanted another like red and kind of white one without the green, and I love how this one turned out as well. This one is one of my new favorites. It's called Santa's Cookies, and I love how it turned out. It is a traditional Christmas with obviously these cookie clay bits in here, along with like these red minty ones, and there's like little sprinkly looking sequins in there as well. These swirlies, it just reminds me like me getting ready in the kitchen to bake all the gingerbread cookies. Like that's what this reminds me of, and maybe I should have named it gingerbread, but I named it Santa's Cookies. But it's so fun. This one is called Snowman Sprinkles, and it is shades of pink, blue, and white. And I was going for like a wintry theme, I think, at first, with some pink, and then we just ended up with pink and blues. And then I also got the snowman in here, which has the pink. But I do love how this one turned out. It is very girly and feminine, and it's got also these little like stars in here that are like hologram kind of stars. I love how it turned out. Look how fun this sequin mix is. I love it. Also perfect for this winter season. This one is another restock called Merriment, and this one's got like these green snowflake sequins in here, like green iridescent. You've also got these white sequins, red hologram, these candy cane sequins, and some silver sequins in here as well. I love this one, and that's why I needed to restock it. It's like traditional, but not, because it's minty green instead of like green, but it definitely has like the reds in here as well. And then I also have this one called Jingle Bells, and this one also has the gold bells in here, this time with some red and some green glitter sequins, some of those pearly ones. So just another traditional Christmas kind of sequin mix, but still different from all the other ones I have been showing you guys. And last but not least, I do have some sets of sequins. So this one has Santa's Cookies, Snowflake Dreams, Sleigh Bells, and Merriment. This is what they look like on the back. And if you guys look on Etsy, you guys could see which sequin mixes are in here kind of in more detail. It's like a picture with like 4 of the sequins. So that's that one, and I just labeled it A for myself so I know which one is which. And then this one is B because instead of Sleigh Bells, this one has Evergreen Cabin in here. And these are the sequins on the back and what they look like. So definitely check out on Etsy what they look like so you can see the sequins better. But that is everything for this restock and the final sequin restock, I think, for the year. Thank you guys so much for your support. Wishing you guys a happy holidays. Stay tuned for my next crafty videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!